Today's show. Today we're doing a tubular leather handle. This is it. So I have 3/8 sisal rope in there. You can see if you look closely that it's measured really tight so that it stretches the leather right on there. So you see the pattern of this old rope, which I think is kind of neat. If you don't like that, just leave a little more space. Alright, we're going to show you the rest of the parts downstairs, how we do it. Okay, it's another snowy day here, so we're going to work again on this. Wow, the light here is crazy, brutal. 1/8 of an inch. You have to scribe this all the way down. Okay, there, it's all the way down. Let's punch the holes. Yeah, I always overlap 3. Okay, we're on that side. Start the next side. You fold it right in half. Perfect. Edge is perfect. Perfect. Okay, see, it dries right down. You can see the difference there. So I don't know if we talked about the formula for your strap length. Okay, whatever you want your rope handle to be, you add 8 inches to the length of for your leather. So this rope is 22, strip is 30. And to make the width, you get the rope that you wanted. This is 3/8 old sisal rope, 1.125". Because 3/8, 9/8. And so this is just exactly right. Plus you have to add a 1/4 inch because your threads go in 1/8 each side. So really I need this piece of leather to be 3/8 times 3, 1.125". Plus another 1/4, so 1 3/8". And that is just tight. So mine is 1.5 inches. Okay, 12 holes. 24 times 2. And now you have to stitch this piece before we start. And we'll start here and we'll bring them all together. See, now we pulled it tight. You can't see any of that rope in there. Now you just keep going. Generally you would shave that down, but this kind of rope is kind of hard to do that, so I didn't. Maybe I should have. Brought this in, but you see how it's stretching? because we're pushing the rope so tight. It was tight before. Now it's not. That's why you just put one drop of glue on there. And that's why you mark this end. See, our line is way back here, 4 inches from the end. And look how this is stretched over an inch, over 2.5 centimeters. Okay, now we continue sewing from here right into this end. And bring that all together. Just compare it to the one we made before. Yeah, seems the same. Okay, we're going to dye the edges now coal black. It's good to dye them some color. Just makes it look much more finished. Right here it is, all dyed up. See how that just looks better? There, the top's finished there and the bottom's not. Just looks a little more finished. Let's get this last one and then we're done. Alright, here they are. I have them on the bag already, but I'll show that in another video. So if you like today's video, hit the like button. Be sure to hit subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and leave a comment that'll be helpful. We'll see. This will be the next part of the video, putting all this together. Thanks for watching. Later.